All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to render your math expressions in a way that is professional, that's effective, that makes you look like a pro, and doesn't make you look like a laughingstock. Like, you don't want to do something like this. You don't want to send 3 squared like this. I mean, this makes you look like an idiot. I mean, this is just the worst, right? This is nonsense. So I'm going to show you 3 different tools you can use. Let's start out with the quickest and the easiest. It's called the Mathify function. And basically, here's how it works. You type a math expression in the way that you expect. Let's say 7 over 2 plus x to the 9. And then at the end of the whole expression, I'm going to type MF, which is short for Mathify, or I can just type out the entire word Mathify. And you just do that, wait a second, and it's going to render it in a way that's a little bit better. So that is one very simple, very easy option. But again, Mathify only works on really simple expressions. If you're using a complex expression, like let's say you have polynomials and the exponents, Mathify is not for that. Mathify is the quick and dirty way to do really, really easy things. Let's say you want to use a computer to render something a little bit more complex. At that point, you can use something called LaTex. LaTex is a tool that's used throughout the math world to make math expressions look good in a computer. On Slack, here's what you do. You type /LaTeX, and then you type in your LaTeX expression, your LaTeX command. Now, LaTeX is not intuitive, so you have to actually learn how to use it. The best way to learn how to use it, look at some online tutorials. There's a million of them. There's a million great ones. Just type LaTeX tutorial in Google and find whatever you like over there. The first 10 are probably all great. So I'll just give you an example of what LaTeX looks like. I can type /frac, that's short for fraction. Then I enter the numerator. In this case, I'm going to make the numerator say x to the third. And then after that, and notice how I'm putting those into curly braces. Then after that, I'm going to type the denominator, also in curly braces. And why don't I make that just the number 7? And so then I press enter. I'll wait for a second. It's going to give me a preview. And I click looks good, and it sends it. And it also sends this notice that the trial period is expired. Don't worry about that. Now, those are the 2 computer-based ones, and of course, don't forget the final one. It's the easiest, and it is the most flexible. This final tool you can use to render an expression no matter how complex. Guess what it is? Paper. Write whatever you like on a piece of paper, send a photo, take a photo, send it in Slack, and that's going to be the way that's going to have the most flexibility. So there you got it. You got Mathify, you got LaTeX, you got paper. That way you can make sure that you're looking like a pro and not looking like an international laughingstock.